Hey, what's up, fashion fam? Want to share what I'm wearing. I'm on my way out. Real quick, H&M tank top, ribs. They sell the best tank tops around, t-shirts around. I love H&M tanks and tees. These cargo denim are by a brand named Outfit, but I purchased them from Source Unknown. I have on my Kurt Geiger sandals. I love these sandals. I've had them for several years, but they're so good. So I decided to throw those on. I have my off-white crossbody bag, making an effort to carry bags that just sit in my closet. And my eyes fell on this bag, so I said, let me put it on. Normal stack, normal jewelry, Alexis Vuitton, you know how that is. Max Mara sunglasses. These are really, really cute. And I think they complement this outfit really nicely. So this is what I'm wearing. I like it. I like it. I think she came together rather nicely. And we're out the door.